Hello guys, in this video we learn how to run Java program on Visual Studio Code. So let's start. Go to the browser and search VS Code download. Go to the Visual Studio Code website and download Visual Studio Code. Download Visual Studio Code for Windows 10 and 11. Click here and downloading is start here. After downloading, go to the folder show in folder. Run this application VS Code. I accept the agreement and then next. Setup is in this location and then next and again next. Create a desktop icon and again next and install. And then finish. Setup is completed. After downloading and installing VS Code is open here. Okay, then go to the browser and search Java programming in VS Code and getting started with Java in VS Code. This is the documentation for Java in VS Code. By using this documentation, we can set up for Java in VS Code. So this is a coding pack for Java for Windows and this is for Mac OS. For other operating system, you will need to manually install JDK, VS Code and Java extension. So for Windows and Mac OS, this coding pack is installed. So I start to install this coding pack. Okay, downloading is finished and go to the folder show in folder and run Java coding pack and then next. Okay, JDK is installed. Okay, Visual Studio Code is also installed. Okay, and then install and then finish. Search for show and run commands and write Java, create Java project and no build tools and then select folder. We already create a folder on a desktop Java Pro. Then select this project for select this folder for project location and use the name for project. I give F and then enter. And here F is created. Go to the SRC and open app.java file. Okay, and then run this file. Run Java. Okay, hello world is print here. In this way we can write and run Java program in VS Code. If you like this lecture, then please like and subscribe.